In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in WPS Office on a laptop. Adding a signature to your document is a great way to make it look more professional, especially for letters, forms, or official files. WPS Office offers more than one way to create and insert a signature, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Let's start with the first method, which allows you to create a signature directly inside WPS Office. With your document open, go to the top menu and click on the Review tab. From there, click on the Draw option. This feature lets you use a digital pen tool. Before drawing, you can change the pen color so your signature looks clear and natural. Once everything is set, use your mouse to draw your signature directly on the document. This method works well if you're comfortable drawing with a mouse or touchpad. However, if you find it difficult to draw a clean signature using your mouse, there is an alternative method that often looks more realistic. Start by writing your signature on a piece of paper. Take a clear photo of that signature using your phone or camera and make sure the lighting is good so the signature is easy to see. Transfer the photo to your computer by uploading it to Google Drive. Once uploaded, open Google Drive on your computer and download the image to your device. Next, open your browser and go to remove.bg. Upload the photo of your signature there. This tool automatically removes the background, leaving only your signature. Once the background is removed, right-click on the processed image and choose Save Image As. Save it to a folder on your laptop where you can easily find it. Now return to your document in WPS Office. Click on the Insert tab at the top, then choose Picture. Select this device and browse to the folder where you saved your signature image. Click Open to insert it into the document. After inserting the image, you may need to adjust how it appears on the page. Click on the image, then select Wrap Text. From the available options, choose either behind text or in front of text. This allows you to freely move the signature to the exact position you want, such as above your printed name or at the end of the document. Once positioned correctly, resize the signature if needed so it looks natural and proportionate to the text. Your document now has a clean and professional-looking signature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.